puffin' beat drums. Puff the weed blunt, keep a son to read drum.
Yo, I blow smoke like a stove at my Covey Cove. George Foreman grill mode, it's a heavy load. Raps have your ass rash, leave your huggies full. Will I do or will I die? Ain't nobody know. Almost forgot through the celibate madness how a woman's womb feels like gelatin packets. The way she bounced back has my skeleton cracking. Now I hear her thoughts cause we're telekinetic. I'm in office, watch your aim low. Trying to pick my pocket but I dodge it like Durangos. I ain't changed, just the same old. I ain't hear a thing that you're saying, peep my game load. Damn. Cough it backwards, rap stood like phlegm. Tobacco ash could have your back spin. So when I make hits, ain't a need to explain. Rap to me's the MLB, I love this game.
Where you from, where you get your weed from? It don't really matter, we just really need some. Pass around the urban lessons, puffin' beat drums. Puff the weed blunt, keep a son to read drum. Where you from, where you get your weed from? It don't really matter, we just really need some. Pass around the urban lessons, puffin' beat drums. Puff the weed blunt, keep a son to read drum.
I take another rip of medical and let it go, and make a flip because they hanging up my telephone. I take a dose of melatonin, give me melatones. Mary Jane stayed the same when I felt alone. Spank cold, stank toe, y'all can get ganked though. This the Bippin' Bay, babe, this ain't no San Diego. Killer police case closed, built to be Smako. Want smoke, eighth blown, toaster on Eggo. We don't trip, low the coast of the gangster Crips and Bloods, they won't hesitate to lay you stiff. In the parking lot of reeks of pot heavy, Buicks, Box, Chevys mixed with Macs and Machetes. We ain't on that, we just kicking dope raps with the speaker in the back while we have the smoke pass. We like to go fast, and if you can't accept it, then your ass just won't last. Rap to me is Major League, I love this game.